Hi, I would like to show a small demo of a generic alert endpoint. Users can use an endpoint by sending alert notification that will create a GitLab issue with the alerts payload. The feature is available for the GitLab Enterprise Edition only. I've already created an empty GitLab project to use in this demo. To use the feature, we need to enable an alerts endpoint service. To do that, we need to navigate to Settings and Integrations. On this page, we scroll down to the project services and look for Alerts Endpoint. On this page, we can activate the service. When we use the feature for the first time, we need to reset authorization key. Now the service is activated and ready to use. Let's take a quick look into documentation of that feature. On the bottom of the page, we can see an example of the alerts payload. The body of a request should be a JSON object and can contain any important details about the alert. There are some parameters we will try to extract from the payload, although they are all optional. Those parameters are title, description, start time, service, monitoring tool, and hosts. Now, when we know the URL, auth token, and the payload structure, let's try to send a request. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to use Postman to send requests. Customers can use any external monitoring tool to do that. We select a post as a request type. The request URL is the URL we can get from the alert service page. Then we choose bearer token and provide the token we already have. Since the payload is a JSON, we need to set up a content type header to have an application JSON value. The last piece is the request body. Let's set it to raw and provide the following JSON. Now our request is ready. We can try to send it now. We have a successful response. Now let's move to the issues page and check the alert we just created. Here is our issue. Inside we can see alert's title is set to the title we passed. There are also expected parameters in the summary section, and there is a list of extra parameters in the alert details section. If we look back to the payload we use, we will see that additional parameters is a nested JSON object. Here on the page, you can see this object has been inlined. Since all the parameters are optional, let's try to send an empty JSON as a payload. We update the body of request to be an empty JSON and send it. Now let's check the issues page again. Here you can see there is a new alert, but with a default title. In addition to the title, we are setting a start time. This alert doesn't carry a lot of useful information about the incident, although it's possible to send an empty payload. This concludes the demo of Alerts Endpoint. Thank you.